we are at Physical Graffiti in Sedona, Arizona. I'm going to take you into the shop, show you what's going on today. I'm going to go inside. Uh-oh, what happened? Looks like an empty shell. So, obviously, as you can see, we've moved. And yeah, just wanted to show you the new space. Wanted you to check out our move. So why don't you come on with us right now. Here we are in December. It's got maybe about 60 degrees out. Beautiful sunny day here in Sedona. And here's our new location. Oh no, what do you know? It looks identical. Looks exactly the same. Let's go in and check it out. So here we have our reception area. Our t-shirts display, our shirts display, some cases, some custom knives. And most importantly, we have a new workspace. And we still have our guard dog on duty. Come here, Chopper. Make no mistake, this dog is vicious. So our new workspace is right here.
Nice.
New area, there's Angela. She's got her own workstation now. She doesn't have to float around from place to place.
Right.
Yeah. So we got 3 workstations. And there's Eric.
How's it going? Look at that view. Oh my god.
And we got a little bit of a view. It's really nice. Nice view. A nice little waiting area outside, which is nice. I'll show you that. Got a couple. We never had more than a couple chairs downstairs for waiting. But now we're gonna have some outside seating. We're gonna put some patio furniture out here, maybe a table, some chairs, so we can sit out here and have lunch, or if somebody's waiting, they want to sit out here and have some coffee. And we have like this little area right here overlooking the road where we have chairs, and this wall almost acts like a little place you can lean on here, so you can sit here and maybe have some coffee or kick back and relax and take in the views, watch the traffic go by. I mean, most of the year we can sit out here and do this. I mean, here we are in December, and it's got to be at least 60, 65 degrees or so. Across the street is the Cold Grill, one of the greatest barbecue places. And there's Ace Hardware, Circle K right over there. And the views from our side window, beautiful red rocks of Sedona. We have Bell Rock over there, there's Courthouse, there's Lee Mountain, and in the distance is Rabbit Ears. And they call them rabbit ears because if you look at it from the side, there's it looks like a little bunny rabbit ear sticking up. Yeah, there's an intersection right there, 179. It's a fantastic spot. So basically, we're in the same building. We just moved upstairs, and if you come to Sedona, please stop in and say hello. You don't have to get any work done, just stop in, say hello. You can meet Chopper, say hi, check out our display cases, and yeah, check out the shop. So here we are in the new shop, and we're going to do another install of memorable moments from the biz, from the tattoo biz. I've been in the business now for the past 22 years. Eric's been in the business for 25 years. And over that course of time, we have a lot of stories, and they're not always on the top of our head, but sometimes they come to us, and you know, we remember them, and we thought it might be interesting. It's not a great story, but it's something that happened. I just want to share, and it's kind of disgusting, really. But so I'm working on the East Coast in a very large shop, and we had computer stations around the shop, and we had a guy who worked there who used to like to chew tobacco or chew tobacco. And what he would do is he would take a soda can, and when he was done with the soda, and he would, you know, spit into his can. And he had one next to one of the computers. So, and I guess it was one he used often because it was sitting there and it was getting kind of full. So one night, the owner's wife was using one of the computers, and so she's using the computer and she's drinking a soda, same type of soda can, and she's got the soda can. I guess you know where this is going. So she's drinking her soda. She's using the computer. She sets it down and she's into what she's doing, and she grabs the full can of I don't know what you'd call it, spit? I don't know. Oh. And she just took a big swig.
Yeah, it is spit. It's tobacco. Oh.
You've never heard somebody yell so loud. And whether or not she, I don't know. I don't know, man. You talk about mouthwash and disinfectant and iodine.
I'm surprised there was no projectile bond.
Right, exactly. I couldn't stomach that. So, yeah, it's pretty disgusting, but it happened. Something I remembered yesterday. I just thought it might be interesting to share. So, hopefully you can, you know, check out our next videos coming up. We got some more of the motorcycle build and some other projects we're working on, and some tattoos we're going to be working on. So, hope to see you again. Thanks for watching.
Hi, I'm Eric. Adrian's hovering back there. Reminded me of a story, the one that he told, and the move that we just did. Moving up here was easier than building out a new space, and we've had experience in that too. My wife and I were building out a space in Antioch, Illinois. It was huge, it was beautiful, it was a 100-year-old building, and it was covered in carpet that all needed to be removed. So we tore all that out. In the procedure rooms, we put tile down and tile splashes up the walls. First, we had to level some of the floors in order to do that because 100-year-old building. So I can't remember how long it took. I want to say it was 4 to 6 weeks to do the construction inside because it involved a lot, you know, additional plumbing and just changing everything in there. And we had paper, brown paper over the doors so nobody can see in or what we're doing. And the floors are bare where the carpet's going to go, and we're still tiling the rooms, so the rooms are half finished. And a guy opens the door, walks in, and wants to get tattooed right then. And we're like, dude, there's not even floors in here. This is disgusting. You can't do it. Adrian's giggling because he understands.
Yeah,
so,
when people want it, they want it.
Oh, they do. They do.
Don't care.
Well, come on, man. I mean, you know, again, like, if you're okay with getting tattooed in a garage or a kitchen, then yeah, you can get tattooed in a filthy environment like that. But my God, you know, seriously, God knows what's floating around in there. Like I said, 100-year-old building, you know. So imagine the amount of dust. But no, and you know, I guess with the instant gratification, you know, it's not just nowadays. Everybody wants to complain about that, but it's been around for a long time. So I guess just personality type. Who knows? But we're in a brand new space. I hope y'all can come and see us. The views are incredible. You can see them from the chair you're getting tattooed in. I got tattooed yesterday, and I got to look at Red Rock. It was amazing. So I'd recommend coming, and thank you again for that, Adrian. I appreciate it. So please remember to subscribe to this station and watch for future videos. Adrian's got some cool ones coming up, continuing on his motorcycle build. That's getting close, isn't it? Or
coming along.
Nice,
yeah.
Nice. Awesome. Well, thanks so much for watching and listening. Have a great day.
Yeah, we're no longer on the first floor, we're on the second floor. So if you come to Sedona to get some work done with us, come upstairs and you won't be sorry. I think you're really going to like it. hopefully we see you on your next visit to Sedona. Thanks for watching.